Yeah, so we're going to start with high frequency, basic introduction to high frequency data and how it evolves intraday and how it's different from traditional data. We're going to look at the traditional models, information-based models for high frequency, and how you can build profitable trading models from that. We're going to look into data evolution. How you can model the actual information arrivals. And ultimately, we're going to see how you can utilize this data and make it speak. So in the big data context. So it's going to be a very hands-on, and we're going to build models in the class. It's going to be very hands-on, but very advanced class. So it will be incorporating the latest research techniques in market making, as well as proprietary trading and execution, and really help you come out with a better framework for what you're doing, whether it's trading, market making, risk management. You will just have better tools at your disposal. You will have better understanding what's going on. And it will hopefully be very profitable for you. So, and it's definitely something, a lot of these techniques are in many cases already deployed in top institutions in the US, in New York specifically. And in many cases, they're just latest hot off the press research that this produced. And I always keep on top of everything that's going on in the space. And it's going to be a fairly challenging, fast-paced course because it's basically 2 days, all scheduled together. But we will do some hands-on projects, so you will walk away really with concrete models that you can deploy in whatever enterprise you're working with, and in whatever function, whether it's risk management or trading or market making or something else that involves data aggregation and market comparison. So it's going to be very valuable and useful, and you will have some concrete takeaways.